Okay, hello boys and girls, welcome to our second maths lesson. Today, for our maths lesson, you will need 2 hands, 2 feet, a pencil, and some paper. Okay, that's all you need for today. So for today, you are going to measure the lengths of different objects using your hands or your feet. Oh, I'm excited. Are you excited? Oh, goody. Okay, our star words for today are length, size, compare, measure, measurement, about, nearly, roughly, close to, long, longer, longest, short, shorter, shortest. Mr. Geppetto needs to make sleeves for Pinocchio's jumper, but he has lost his measuring tape, so he doesn't know whether he has enough material or not. How could we check? What would you do? Have a think. What could we use? Did somebody say use hands? You could use your hands to check. How many hands do we need? That's a good idea. That will be an estimate. It would give us a rough idea of how much material we would need. How many hands tall do you think the chair is? So just like Mr. Geppetto, Mr. Conway has lost his measuring tape as well. So he's going to use his hands to measure how tall the chair is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The chair is roughly 8 hands tall. Big hands. So roughly my chair was 8 hands tall. Excellent. Now the next one we must measure is the rug. But to use the rug, we're going to use our feet. So how long is the rug? Let's have a look. So now, boys and girls, we're going to measure the length of Mr. Conway's rug using his feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.5. Roughly 7.5 feet long. Now, boys and girls, Mr. Conway's mat or rug was 7.5 feet long. Now it's your turn. At home, I want you to write down, like Mr. Conway's done, a table of different things. So the first one Mr. Conway did was his chair. His chair was how many hands long? Tall? 6 hands tall. Roughly. And what about my mat? It was, you're right, 7.5 feet. 7.5. Wow. Now there are loads of different things Mr. Conway could use to measure around his house. Some ideas that you could borrow is a chair, a table, a mat, your bed, the hallway. You could do a desk. There are loads of different things you could use to measure with your hands and your feet. So off you go, have an explore around the house and measure different things. But when you come back, make sure you write down on your table the name, how many hands long it was, and how many feet it was. I can't wait to see what you've done. Well done. Good luck. Oh, hello boys and girls. I'm just back from exploring all around my house and I've measured different things. So my table was 8 hands tall and 8 feet long. My bed was 10 feet long and the hallway was 50 hands long. It took me quite a long time to do that. And the bed, it was also 20 feet long. What results did you get? Let's have a look up here. Which object is longer? The bookcase, or the smaller bookcase? So which is longer, 5 feet or 7 hands? What's longer, 5 feet or 7 hands? You're right, 5 feet are longer. So the bigger bookcase is definitely longer. Let's see. Yeah, because 5 feet is longer. 4 feet, well done. How could Mr. Geppetto check if he had enough material for sleeves? That's right, he could use feet or hands. Excellent, well done. Now, make sure, boys and girls, that you filled in your table of all the different things around your house, measuring how tall it is and how long it is. Have fun.